Why did Allah make it compulsory? Jumu'ah. If you haven't made it for Jama'ah 5 times a day, at least you have to make it for the Jumu'ah. Otherwise, like I said, you're not a Muslim. Allah wants you to mix with people who are not exactly like you. He wants you to talk to them, to greet them, to interact with them. He gives you an opportunity. You see a man from a different place. Are you going to at least greet? Assalamu alaikum, my brother, how are you? If someone is, for example, with a tire that might need changing, do you actually offer assistance? Or, my clothes are going to get messed, man. Relax. Assalamu alaikum, brother. Good luck. Changing your tire. I'm gone. Does a Muslim do that? No. No matter what you're dressed like, the minute you see someone needing help, what are you taught? What am I taught? Rush to help them. And Allah will rush to help you at a time of your need. That's the reason why the Jumu'ah is so important. Jama'ah, together. I've spoken about this a few times and it's a reminder to me, because you know what? Even in my life, sometimes we feel, I don't need to interact. Why should I interact with people whom I don't even know? Moments ago my phone rang and I'm thinking, you know what? I don't recognize the number. It could be someone phoning and swearing. Sometimes it does happen. People just get your number and they want to demoralize you. It happens. By the way, it does happen. They phone you, they swear you from A to Z until you put the phone down. What have they done? They try to assassinate not just your character but your personality. And they want to drop your morale. If you don't know and if it hasn't happened to you, thank Allah. So I thought to myself, you know what, I'll call this number back after Salah. I'm in no position to change my mood and mode prior to the prayer. Allahu Akbar. But sometimes you feel, why should I even answer this phone? Why do I even need to bother? I tell you why you need to bother. Because the hadith says a person who interacts with the people and bears their what? A person who interacts with the people and bears their negativity is better than a person who doesn't interact with them at all. Subhanallah. But if you cannot bear someone's negativity, you're not compelled to interact, because if it gets to a point where it's affecting your mental health and your well-being, trust me, to take a step back from whoever it may be is actually permissible. Sometimes you have a person within the family, a person within your circles, and it's become tough. And I've tried, and every time it's getting worse, and it's getting even worse, and it's becoming more and more toxic. I can stop at Salamu alaikum wa alaikum assalam and I'm out. I don't want to talk too much, because you know what? Every time I speak, it's heading in the wrong direction. It gives me stress and anxiety to talk. Allahu Akbar. You're a human, so am I. It happens to us. Step back nicely. You see them, give them a nice opportunity to solve the matter by just greeting. Salamu alaikum, peace be upon you. You may not be at peace with me, but guess what? I'm at peace with you. It's okay.